All right. Wick's getting ready to look at these last two body bolts that we couldn't get in. Holy shit, Wick. Hang on. Let's tag team this. Oh, God. Yeah. All right. Let me show you. Hey, Wick, I know we make fun of Mississippi a lot, but we're doing some Mississippi shit right now.
We sure are. There's some backyard Johnny Appleseed stuff right there.
This is American country shit.
All right, let's see where we are.
That's fucking brilliant, actually.
At least losing my flashlight.
Let me turn the light on here.
What do I do with the flashlight? All right, put it over there.
Oh, I'll be hot damn.
Okay, line up.
Almost.
Cool.
You give it a little more, you're gonna be golden like a shower, as my buddy Big T would say.
So I found the...
Success! It's in, it started. Hillbilly engineering.
Hillbilly.
It worked.
It worked. Now let's see if we can get this one done.
Oh, shit.
Do you want to show them how far off that one is, or do you think that'll scare people?
Well, it's already better than it was, but
You think you can video it while I jack it?
that sounds like something that needs to be on an explicit channel, Wick. We need to reword it.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. That didn't really come out exactly.
I'm not videoing you doing that. I'm sure there's some viewers that would be like, yes, please. But no. Anyway. Yeah. If you want to.
You ready?
Yeah, I'll stand back so I don't get hit in the nuts with a jack.
Yeah, that would be good. Okay.
That wouldn't be good. Quit lying.
Nice. Well, good. You stand back. I'm good. Good
Oh.
about that part.
Oh, you can watch it move. That's fucking cool.
What do you think? Are we getting close enough?
I'm kind of scared.
I know it's getting a little scary because I don't know how strong the strap is.
It moved it elsewhere.
No, it's not
Like,
going
it moved it too far the other way.
inward.
Yeah, it moved inward.
So we're now pulling on this strap. We need to be on the outside of the frame.
To pull it the other way. All right, so we'll do that.
We're jacking it the wrong way,
Is there a wrong way?
apparently.
As long as I get mine.
Do you think these?
What was that?
Do you think these parking brake cables are long enough? Maybe we could get some extensions for them.
I think they sent you the one for the fucking limousine kit.
Yeah.
Jesus. The
Okay.
ones on my dually aren't that big. All right. If you're gonna poop your pants, now's the time. Wick done shit his britches. Fire away. I can see it.
Is it moving the right way?
It is, but it's,
Long way to go.
you're like halfway. Fucking gnarly.
Is it moving?
Not much. We ain't got much.
I wonder if we put.
That is some tension.
Yeah. I wonder if we put a block on top, so we are forcing pressure on the top of the tunnel. If we'll squash the tunnel, if we can get it directly on this brace, we should be able.
We need to pull
things
the center of that brace needs to pull down and flatten out.
So we need like a 4x4 or a tube. or some of that steel that we threw away a couple weeks ago.
Oh yeah. Damn it.
We need something that won't compress.